Ever dreamt of starting your own business but don't know where to start? What if I told you ChatGPT could be your personal business mentor, content creator, and marketing strategist, all in one? In this video, I'll show you how to build a successful business in just 30 days using ChatGPT. Segment 1. Setting the stage, Day 1 to 5, the foundation of your business. 1. Start with a strong idea. If you're unsure, ask ChatGPT, give me unique business ideas for 2025. It'll generate a list of trending industries like AI tutoring, content creation, or eco-friendly products. 2. Once you've got your idea, refine it by asking ChatGPT, what are the potential challenges and solutions for this business? This helps you prepare like a pro. If you've already got an idea, comment below, and I'll share tips tailored to your concept. Segment 2, Planning and Research, Day 6 to 10, turn ideas into action. 1. Use ChatGPT to create a business plan. Ask, help me write a business plan for an online handmade jewelry store. Within seconds, you'll have sections on market analysis, revenue models, and more. 2. Don't forget branding. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm names, taglines, and even design ideas. Try, suggest catchy names for my eco-friendly business. Important point alert, stick around. In the next segment, I'll reveal a game-changing tip about using ChatGPT for free marketing. Segment 3, Building Your Presence, Day 11 to 20, establish your digital identity. 1. Ask ChatGPT to write engaging website content or product descriptions. For example, write a fun description for a plant-based skincare product. 2. Create social media posts with ChatGPT by asking, generate 30 Instagram captions for my startup. These posts can keep your audience hooked. 3. Need a logo? ChatGPT can suggest ideas or integrate with AI design tools to create one. Segment 4, Marketing and Outreach, Day 21 to 25, the secret to free marketing. 1. Leverage social media by asking ChatGPT to draft engaging blog posts, YouTube scripts, or email newsletters. For example, try, write a blog about the benefits of handmade products. If you're learning something new, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI-powered business hacks. Segment 5, Scaling Your Business, Day 26 to 30, think big. 1. Once your business is live, ask ChatGPT, how can I automate tasks in my business? It can suggest tools for email marketing, inventory management, or customer support. 2. Want to expand? ChatGPT can help you create partnerships. Ask, draft a collaboration email for my organic food brand. Bonus tip. 1. ChatGPT can help you translate content and customize strategies for international audiences. Try, write an ad copy for my product targeting French customers. Share this video with your entrepreneur friends, it might be the push they need to start their own journey. And that's how you can build a thriving business in just 30 days using ChatGPT. If you want more tips like this, check out our video on 10 hidden features of ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for your daily dose of AI-powered success. See you in the next video.